Hey guys, my name is Fabio and welcome to a new episode of the Trading Academy. And in today's episode, I'm going to be doing a trade breakdown on Aussie CAD, which resulted in a 3% profit trade and approximately $5,000. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and let's dive straight in. Okay guys, so just gonna conduct my higher time frame analysis for you guys, and then we're just gonna dive into the lower time frame. So what I was looking at on Aussie CAD was an overall trend in towards the downside on the daily. So over here we had this third trend line touch, and remember guys, I only use third trend line touches on the higher time frame, so the daily and above. So over here we had a 1, 2, 3, and essentially the trend was bearish in the sense that we had over here a low, a lower low, a high, a lower high, and potentially another lower high, which could result in a new lower low being formed. So once I knew that the daily was in a bearish trend, I then went to locate, before I dive in towards the 4-hour, daily liquidity. So for me, daily liquidity was located over there and over here. So these are my two areas of supply from where I am happy to take those shorts. So I knew that Aussie CAD was in a good area to look for potential shorts because it was inside of daily supply. So now looking at the 4-hour, what could we see over there? Well, we could see a very obvious downtrend, right? So we came from the highs. Initially we had that uptrend, but then the uptrend got broken. So we had a high, a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, new lower low, and new potential lower high was going to be formed over here. So what I then simply do is just draw in my Fibonacci, and then what I could see is that we were perfectly located at the 786 fib level. So then what I was looking for was some 4-hour supply. So I knew, okay, well, this is my 4-hour area of supply in between these two lines from where I want to be looking for those potential shorts. Furthermore, I love drawing in these trend lines and looking for liquidity grabs above them. So over here, what you can see is that we had a 1, 2, third touch over here. You can kind of see like we had an initial reaction, especially if you just adjust it a little bit lower, an initial reaction. However, the market comes up higher, grabs the liquidity which lies above the trend line, taps in towards this area of supply, and then I knew, okay, I have all my confluences because I knew retail traders were already going short over here. As you guys can see, break retest of support and resistance. Furthermore, an engulfing candle over here. Most traders would set their stop loss on, let's say, the 786 and then go short, then get stopped out. So then I knew, okay, well, this is a good time to enter because retail traders have got stopped out. We've grabbed liquidity above the trend line, and now we are moving in towards supply on the daily and the 4-hour. And then I knew, okay, well, this is essentially where I can start looking for those shorts. Nice star pattern, over here. Stop loss just above the highs, and then targeting the lows, of course, for a 3% trade, letting it play out. And this was a beauty of a trade, just crashing down in towards the lows, as you guys can see. So very simple trade breakdown, yeah, pretty short one, but I think that there is lots of value to be found within this video. If you want to learn my exact trading strategy, make sure to check out the links in the description down below and join the free Discord server. Wish you all a fantastic day, and thank you for tuning in once again. Thanks guys.